Hey, hello. We're today flying on a United E190, but first we have to get checked in. Oh, at the end, okay. Hello? Yes, I would like to check in, please. We will be flying to Springfield, Illinois. Pretty close. Thank you. Have a good day. Okay, let's see. Let's check out the terminal first. So, it seems that there's this new clothing store called Duty Free. Pretty cool. Nothing that interests me too much, but you know. And then we have this Lufthansa 747 going to Munich. That is awesome. Very cool. I would love to go on one of those one day. And then a United 777 over here going to, I'm not sure, I'm pretty sure it's the UK, but the screen's too far away for me to tell. Have a United A320, that's very nice. But our main attraction's just one gate over at gate 6 of Chicago O'Hare. Hello. Here's my passport. May I board? Thank you. Alright, let's get on board. It's not a big aircraft, but I'm excited for today's flight. Today's flight's, it's very short, like only 45 to 50 minutes. Very short. It's from Chicago to Springfield, so yeah. Very nice seat, pretty good view. Yep, pretty chill. Alright, I'm pretty sure we're gonna start getting ready to go soon, but first let's check out this seat. Pretty wide, lots of legroom. I think it's nice. There are no overhead bins, but there is place to put it in front of you and under the seat and ahead of you. There's a lot of space, no in-flight entertainment, but I mean this is only a 45-minute flight. Do we really need it? So that's to get us started. I believe we are pushing back now, so this is exciting. Getting ready to start my first video. If you're seeing this is 100% my first video. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm just trying to create something new for y'all, so if you enjoy it, please let me know, because I want to make more. And I mean, yeah. Let's go. Saw that Lufthansa 747. That was a pretty cool sight to see. But I believe we're getting ready to take off now, so pretty exciting. Let's see what this flight has to offer for us. Alright, I think we're cruising now, so that's pretty exciting. Yeah, this is a pretty cool airplane. It's a 1 and 2 seat configuration, only one class. But I mean, it's still pretty nice. It's a pretty empty flight, but I still think it's a nice flight. You know, every flight's nice. Any chance I get to be on board airfoil, it's always a great time, you know? Alright, I believe we're getting served now. Hello, can I just get probably just Coca-Cola and a bag of chips, please? Yeah, that will be all. Today's a nice day. Excited to fly. Thank you. So now we have a little cup of Coca-Cola and some chips. Pretty nice. I like it personally. That's usually my usual. Usually I get the Biscoff cookies, but I don't think they have the money nudge. Prove me if I'm wrong. Before you know it, we're already on descent. I'm pretty excited for this opportunity. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, but we still got a little bit more to come. Not much though, so. And we're already on the ground now. That was a pretty nice landing. Actually, it was very nice. Shout out to the pilot. As you see to our right, we have a Delta 717 over there. And I mean, every time I fly, I love flying, so it's kind of sad to get off, but you know, it happens. Hello, thank you for the flight. Very nice. There's our plane and then the E190 737. Going down to the baggage claim. Let's see. Here we go. Got our suitcase. Alright, thank you for watching this video. This is my first video, as you know, and if you like this, please come back and subscribe for more. Like and subscribe, you already know. And I hope you enjoy this content, because this is kind of what I want to do now on this new channel, you know.